manoeuvres we're going to recap today. We've learnt them before, so hopefully this will just be a box ticking exercise.
Yeah.
The thing about manoeuvres is when you go to your test, you really want to make it so it's just like a formality. Think of them as a test within a test, like when you did your theory test, you did your hazard perception, and you got to pass both on the same day. Problem is, if you have any anxiety about your manoeuvres, or we niggling in your mind, I'm driving really well, I haven't done my manoeuvre yet, and every time you pull over, you think, oh my god, I want to do a parallel park, I don't like parallel parks, and it really affects your driving. So it really should just be, okay, it's a manoeuvre, get over it. Including pulling in and moving off. Now a lot of people neglect that one. Do you practice that when you drive?
Yes.
You do, good.
Yeah.
Because you'll be doing that 5 times. For certain you'll be doing that for 5 times. In and out, making sure full observations, all the rest of it. So let's have a look at, we're just going to recap it then. And when we learnt manoeuvres, we just learnt it as very much as bullet points, just as a reference to a reference to a reference to a reference. If you follow the references, you will complete the manoeuvre, and the most important thing is starting in the right place.
Yes.
So, can you remind me, what is we come into a car park like this, and the driver examiner will say, okay, over there's some bay parks, just park in one of those bays, leaving the car completely in one of the bays. Your choice. The examiner won't go park in that one there. You don't go, I shall be parking there, just literally do it there. So first things first, what do we need to do? Pick a bay to park in.
Pick a bay to park.
Pick a bay to park in. And we're going to stop at our point of turn, the point where we're going to turn at. So how far out, think of it as X and Y, how far away from the bay do we want to be?
About a door.
About a door with half a car, about. It's not so precise because you could go through the side of the bay. It just makes it easier because you know the back wheel will sort of tip in. You can tell if you're on target and not as you're coming round. Fantastic. Now the important one is the distance along, and we're going to stop at the point of bay. We talked about a target bay, and we talked about coming up a certain number of lines. Can you remember how many lines that was?
3.
3, fantastic. And where will that third line sit?
Across your shoulders.
Yep, so you're almost like you're looking across normal driving position. It looks like you're looking down the line, with like you're looking down the camera line of the line down there. So that's our point of turn. That's where you're going to turn the wheel, so we stop. Most importantly, it is all about the observations. So as any moving off, make sure you're looking all around. A little bit, once you're happy with what you see, look in the direction you're moving off. Got that? We know that. And how much are you going to turn the wheel?
Full lock.
Full lock. And if the car's parking around to the left, which way are you going to turn the wheel?
Right. To make it. Oh no, left. If it.
Which way?
Oh, sorry. I thought you meant if it was out.
Oh, okay.
If you park to the left, turn the wheel left.
Which way do you want? You steer it the way you want the back of the car to go. Exactly the same. A lot of people do get a little bit confused with that, which is fair enough. But you're turning it that way. So fantastic. We're starting now. A little bit of movement. Where's the risk coming from as the car swings out, do you think?
Behind, if someone's
coming down there, because you've got to give way to all other road users. As soon as you've got that moving, get yourself over that shoulder. Now, if you're at the point of turn, you've done full lock, you know the car, if you reference right, you know you're going to go into the bay. So it gives you all the opportunity just to be looking around. These tend to fail through lack of observations, not actually what you do with the car. Okay. As we're looking around, checking left, checking right, we're looking for the line on the right hand side. The right bay will come out that way. And on the left one it will start to come round. How do you know when to turn the steering wheel back?
It's straight.
Not quite, because the wheels are at an angle, aren't they? So
handle.
now if you remember, if you park between a bay park, you had parallel lines, left line and right line would look like a railway line disappearing.
Yes, it's going.
So as that line is coming, is coming round, and it looks visibly straight and parallel, the car's about 5 degrees off, and then you just calmly unturn it back to straight, and the car will just straighten it round. And then it's a matter of bringing it backwards and stopping in the middle of the bay. How do you know when to stop in the middle of the bay?
It looks like you're in the middle of the bay.
Exactly right, because what we said before, remember, you are sat in the middle of the car between the front bumper and the back bumper. So therefore, if you look to your left and it looks like you're in the middle of the bay, you're in the middle of the bay, absolutely. Or we could use the underside of the mirror, because you can treat that like a giveaway line. We know the underside of the mirror reaches the giveaway line. Or if we're parking next to a car and it's parked nicely, well, why not just go wing mirror to wing mirror?
Yeah.
As a reference as
Oh,
well.
yeah,
So there's a number
yeah.
of opportunities there. So then you stop, handbrake on, into neutral, and wait for the next instruction, which would be move off on the car park. Because this
Yeah.
used to be done at the end of the reverse bay park, always used to be done at the end of the driving test.
Yeah.
Now, because we're trying to speed up many cars through, they tend to do it outside. It would be more of a realistic live environment as well.
Yeah.
Because it can. How long have you got to do this manoeuvre?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
It's a long time.
It is a long time.
So take your
yeah.
time.
Yeah.
Observation. Should we give it a go?
Yeah.
Do you want me to do it under? Are you just going to go for it, or shall we just do full instruction?
Ooh. Oh, I don't mind.
Why don't we give it a go and see if you can.
Yeah, I'll go
Talk
for
me
it and
through it.
see
In
what. Yeah.
In fact, pretend I've never parked in my life.
Oh God.
You're the driving instructor, giving me a demo. Lily, how do you reverse bay park a car?
Okay. Right.
Go on in.
Let's go.
Any of those ones along there then?
I'm not. Yeah. Okay. Right. So
Good. Nice and slowly. That's clutch work only, isn't it?
yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So that's it. So we're looking for a metre out. I'll go
Yeah.
around there. Nice and straight and parallel. This is looking good. Which one are you going to park at? Do you have this one
This
here?
one. Yeah. So.
So for the gift of editing people on YouTube, I'll try and show what you are
Yes.
looking at.
Yeah. 1, 2,
2, bring up to the third one.
3. Right. A little bit more. Okay. Yeah.
You sure
Right.
that's enough forward enough?
Maybe
Because if you slightly adjust it,
Oh,
you can always
yeah, maybe
undo the wheel and
actually-
drag it across. About there.
Yeah, I reckon.
So it
maybe
looks
a
like
little-
you're looking down the line of the
Yeah,
third line. Fantastic.
I think so. Yeah.
And I'll magic up an image on the screen as well.
Yeah.
Just what we're looking for.
Perfect.
Okay.
Right.
Right. So all round.
All
I
around.
thought you're telling me, you're not me telling you.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I'm going to
So
put my observations in, look all around.
we have a rubbish examiner. I'll be helping everyone. That's it. Where are you gonna? Where's the threat coming from? Yeah, that's it.
Behind.
Perfect.
Keep looking. Because it's such a busy car park. So many people around.
Yeah, we're simulating the world's
Yeah.
busiest car park, aren't
Yeah.
we? Exactly.
Mhm.
Is it looking straight and parallel? Keep it rolling through the manoeuvre, and then
Yeah.
that's it. Go on then. That's it. Straighten her up. Are you over? How much are you turning it?
it?
That's it. Overcooked it a little bit there. So bring it backwards. And straight backwards. Hang in the stop.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Do you know what we should do? Should we show?
Oh.
Should we show people what you've done? Are you happy with that? That's okay.
Yeah, no.
Have a look at you. Okay, let's have a look.
Yeah.
You can be in the fixture if you want. There you go. Happy days. Thumbs up. Simple as that.